Some important updates from Kazakhstan. The Russian government has sent paratroopers to Kazakhstan to bring the situation under control. Since earlier this week, protests have ripped Kazakhstan after a rise in the price of liquid petroleum gas, which the civilians are not ready to pay. In a politically unstable country like Kazakhstan, there have been protests against a hike in price of oil for the last 2 decades, and the government has not done much to it. On the contrary, the rise has been steady, and common people who use LPG, almost everybody who uses LPG, that is required mostly for fuel, for putting fuel in the cars, for consumer products that everybody uses, even poor people, are now finding it difficult to buy. People have requested the government to cut down the current price by almost 50%. However, the government refuses to do it and says that they could agree only up till a 25%. For the last couple of days, there have been news coming in that Kazakhstan has been ripped by protests. There is a lot of protests and firing going on. President Tokayev had imposed emergency from January 5th to January 19th. However, the situation was getting worse, which is why he requested Russia to send paratroopers to bring the situation under control. Russian media confirmed that about 8 people have died in the protests and shooting, and they are trying their best to bring the situation under control. We hope in the coming days the situation will not only be under control, but the Kazakh government is able to find a midway and bring down the price of oil, energy products, so that people of Kazakhstan are able to pay the minimum they can to survive in the country. Economy is not very good at this point of time, and poor people are unable to support themselves, which is what the government has to know and has to understand, that their people have to have the money to sustain a living in the country. We just hope that the situation is under control in the coming days and everything turns out for a better tomorrow. I'll keep you updated, so tune into my channel and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Bye.